So if you're still looking for a working way for you to start creating multiple Gmail account and also managing them so that you don't get flagged, today's video I'm going to be breaking down one of the newest tool I just found that has helped me create over 10 to 15 Gmail account. So I'm going to be taking you step by step how to set this up so you can also do this. And the most important thing that you should understand about trying to create multiple Gmail account, and if you also stick to the very end of this video, I'm going to be breaking down my secret setup so that you don't get banned when trying to create and manage multiple accounts. So let's get into it. So right here guys, this is AdsPower, okay, and this is one anti-detect browser that is trusted by over 9 million users. And now AdsPower was basically created for creating and managing multiple accounts. So if you're thinking of creating hundreds of it, I mean, you can do that because you're also opportune to scale faster. So regardless of the amount of emails you want to get every single day, with AdsPower it becomes much more easier. So how do you get AdsPower? The link is going to be down below for easy access. Now if you take a look at some of the features they have right here, you're going to be seeing where they have the multi-account management. So you can see right here it says the best anti-detect browser for multi-accounting on any site, and this is actually worth it because I tried it out and it worked. So today I'm going to be walking you through AdsPower, how to set up your account, how to get your profiles, and also how to use this in creating and managing multiple Gmail accounts. And mind you guys, if you decide to take this extra, probably by creating more Facebook account, more Instagram account, more TikTok account, this setup is still going to be working for you. But for the purpose of this video, we are just going to be focused only on creating and managing multiple Gmail account, because I know that is the main thing a lot of you watch right here on my channel. So let's get into it. So right now we need to purchase our profiles. Now how do we get to purchase our profile? Right here on AdsPower, it's easy. You can see that they have three major plans for you: the professional plan, the business plan, and also the enterprise plan. Of course, you might have nothing to do with the enterprise plan, so you want to focus on either the professional or the business plan. So I'm going to work with the professional plan. Now you can see how many profiles I can get and how much money I have to pay to get those profiles. So with AdsPower you get much cheaper, and you can see that I have $9 to pay for me to be able to purchase 10 browsing profiles. So now that I've been able to select that, I'm going to click on pay now. Okay, now once I do click on pay now, you can see automatically I have already purchased some profiles, and you can see I have 10 profiles already purchased. And that's how easy it is for you to buy profiles right here on AdsPower. So right now you can see we are done with that. We need to move over to the next step, which is configuring our profiles so that they get to work the way we want them to. So right here, what you need to do is to come here and click on new profile. So what should you click on new profile? What we need to do from here is to set up our browsing profile so that they get to work the way we want them to. And I need you to follow me closely. So right here, I'm just going to give this a name. All right, just for identification's sake, Gmail account 1. And right here, you can see where we have the browser. You can work with Chrome. You can also work with Firefox. It all depends on the browser you want to work with. And also the operating system is quite compatible. And I so much love this because you can work with Windows. All right, you can work with Mac, you can work with Linux, you can also work with Android, and you can work with iOS. So it all depends on the operating system you want to have your browser set up on. Now I'm going to leave mine on Windows. Okay, just leave that on Windows. I think because it has been working so good, I'm going to leave that on Windows. And right here you can see the user agent. You just want to leave it on default. I think you should leave this on default. And you want to come right down, okay, where you're going to be having the proxy setup. Now the proxy setup is basically what powers your operating system, what powers your browsing profile. If you don't have a proxy for this, you might necessarily not be getting the best when trying to create a new Gmail account from a new anti-detect browser. Now this is the reason why some of you might find it difficult trying to create and manage multiple Gmail accounts. Why? Because your proxies are not being set up appropriately, and that can actually give a dent when trying to create a new Gmail account, and Google can flag that particular setup and avoid you from doing that. So you need to always make sure your proxies are set up correctly. I'm telling you, a lot of persons are creating multiple Gmail accounts every single day, and I need you to wonder how are they doing it. It's because they are taking the right steps, they are using the right approaches with the right tools, and AdsPower is one of it. And I need you to watch and follow every step that I have right here so that you don't have issues trying to create and manage multiple Gmail accounts. So For the proxy setup, guys, I will always want to go with custom because I have my own personal proxy that I get to use. They have proxy providers that you can decide to work with. For instance, now you can see they have for IP Foxy, they have for Oxylabs, Bright Auto, Bright Data, and so many other ones right here. You can go with any one of your choice, but for me, I would definitely want to work with my own kind of proxies. So I have for custom proxy right here. Now the next thing I have to do is to go ahead in choosing for SOX 5, okay, for SOX 5, and right here where it's asking me to fill up all of those details, I'm just going to go grab my proxy and I'm going to import it right in here. So I decided to also show you my proxy configuration. So regardless of the proxy provider you're using, following this exact setup is also going to be getting you a good result. So the first thing you have to do is to go ahead in choosing SOX 5. Now why are we making use of SOX 5? Because if you come right back to our AdsPower account, you can see that the proxy type is selected right here is SOX 5. So you want to make sure you have SOX 5 on your proxy configuration, and right from here you want to come down in choosing the location. So you can work with any country of your choice. So for me, I would work with the USA, and the city I can let this be on random, okay, the region also on random. Now one other thing I need you to pay attention to is the section settings. Now I need you to pay attention to this. Between rotating proxies and sticky sections proxies, which one should you always go with? Because you're creating and managing multiple Gmail account, I would always say you go with the sticky section. Now if you go with rotating, you know rotating proxies actually work in a way that automatically they get to help you change your IP. So if you're trying to create and manage multiple Gmail account, right, and maybe for the first few minutes it's showing your IP is coming from the US, and maybe because you just refreshed it, now it's coming from Libya, that's not a good sign. Google can block that account and flag it. So you always want to make sure you go with sticky section, because with sticky section your IPs remain consistent, and once your IP remains consistent, Google really might not need to press in further in asking you for verification. So always go with sticky section, and for the minutes I'm going to work with 30. That's actually good for me, and I can see everything here is just going to be on default. So just follow this exact configuration, and once you have done, just copy your generated string. I'm going to copy mine right here. Okay, then I'm going to come back to AdsPower and I'm going to paste that. We have this green thing that gives us a green check mark that says good, we are ready and we are ready to go. So once you're done with that, you need to come right back here, okay, and right here where we have for the tabs, I need you to go ahead and inputting www.gmail.com, all right, and also www.google.com. So these are the tabs you're immediately going to be working with, right? And for the fingerprint, just leave this on default, because I believe AdsPower has your interest at heart and they've been able to help you configure it to work super fine. So just leave that one on default, and everything right here should just be on default. And once you are done with that, you need to go ahead and clicking on OK. So once you click on OK, guys, you have a new browsing profile already created for you. So now that you have a browsing profile created for you, you're going to be using these exact profiles in trying to create a new Gmail account. So let's get to see if this would work for us. Let's go. So right now, guys, I'm going to click on the open button right here to launch our browsing profile. So I'm going to wait for a few minutes, and you can see, guys, we have this profile already created for us. So we have this one right here just showing us everything about our browsing profile, and you can see we have the Gmail account already opened up right here, and we also have for Google, and that's because we actually added that to our tabs. Now we're going to work right here on Google, and for us to create a new account, you're going to come right here to click on create a new account that you want to go with for my personal use. So the setup still remains the same. So quickly, I'm just going to rush and do everything and show you guys what it looks like. So right here, guys, you can see we have a brand new Gmail account already created for us. So right here, you can see these are some of the things that Google is actually requesting that you take your time to go through. So for me, I'm just going to skip all of this. I'm going to come right here to go to my Google account, and right from here, guys, you can see we have this already opened up for us. Now you can see the name of my email. You can also see the email ID right at the bottom of it, and Google is also requesting that we add up a phone number for verification process. So with this method, you don't need a phone number remember to verify the email address you're trying to create, because Google sees this as a brand new profile and a brand new person who's trying to just create a new Gmail account. So your restriction is not going to be so tight. Alright, so there are quite a number of anti-detect browsers out there, but AdsPower really stands out for me because it helps combines powerful browser fingerprint, which helps in managing multiple accounts. And also, when you take a look at the interface, it's actually easy for beginners to make use of this. So whether you're managing multiple social media accounts, or you're running affiliate campaigns, or maybe you're handling client account, you're creating and switching between browser profiles, AdsPower is the best anti-detect browsers for you to start using right away, because it's just more straightforward and the profiles get to load faster and so many other amazing stuffs like that. All right. So right now, one more thing I want you to know about AdsPower and basically what separates it from its competitors. All right, when you take a look at their team management system, so this is actually one of the best feature that you can actually get to enjoy, right, using AdsPower. So instead of you trying to share your passwords or your login credentials, you can securely share your browser profiles with your team. You can assign different permission levels. You can collaborate effectively while still keeping your account protected. Now, if you actually try to work with your team, or maybe you're managing multiple accounts every single day, these are the features you really want to pay attention to. And with AdsPower, you get it right here on whatever plans that you are working with. So if you like to try AdsPower today for yourself, use my link down below to get access to a 3-day premium free trial, meaning you can use AdsPower for free completely for 3 days. You can test out the tools and see actually how it works before you can commit to a paid plan. So use the link down below to get access to AdsPower today. If you have any question, just let me know and I'll do well to answer your question. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.